Good evening, and welcome to AI News Connect. Tonight, we're diving into major developments reshaping the future of artificial intelligence. First, the US Department of Energy has unveiled ambitious plans to co-locate data centers and AI infrastructure on federal lands, a game-changer for energy efficiency and supercomputing. Later, we explore CONVO GPT's groundbreaking new AI employee, Sara, which claims to outperform hundreds of human workers. Let's start with our first story. Matthew, reporting live from Golden, Colorado, where a key site was identified. What's the latest?
Thank you, Cassandra. Here at NREL in Golden, the DOE announced it's identified 16 federal sites, including this campus, to build AI data centers. The plan aims to fast-track energy-efficient facilities that can power next-gen AI systems, leveraging existing infrastructure like nuclear energy to reduce costs. The DOE has issued a request for information to partner with private companies, signaling a push to maintain US leadership in the AI arms race. Experts say this could cut permitting delays by half and integrate renewable energy directly into data centers, a critical step amid growing concerns about AI's environmental impact.
Meptime.io is a new community-based video sharing platform where creators can upload their videos and gain exposure online. In addition to this, users can interact and collaborate with each other via our private messaging system. You can also request to become a paid channel and earn monthly subscription revenue from our users. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and grow your fan base by sharing your amazing videos.
This initiative reflects a broader strategy to address AI's energy demands. Now, shifting gears to a breakthrough in automation. Crystal, reporting from our tech hub in South Carolina, can you walk us through CONVO GPT's new AI employee, Sara?
Absolutely, Cassandra. CONVO GPT launched Sara, a 24/7 AI employee designed to replace up to 100 human workers in sales and recruitment. CEO Jeremy David calls it a conversational powerhouse that handles lead generation, personalized outreach, and candidate screening across email, SMS, and social platforms. Unlike traditional chatbots, Sara uses emotional intelligence to adapt tones and maintains context across weeks of interactions. Industries like SaaS, healthcare, and staffing could see disruption, with early adopters claiming it boosts conversion rates without human limitations. But critics remain skeptical. Would an AI truly understand nuanced human interactions?
Two stories, two revolutions. The DOE's infrastructure push and CONVO GPT's Sara highlight AI's rapid evolution, from energy policy to workforce transformation. Stay tuned for in-depth analysis of these developments in our upcoming Deep Dive series. Until tomorrow, this is Cassandra signing off from AI News Connect. Keep innovating.